Tagal ka matanggal yung ano. Nahilamos ka. Siya natanggal agad-agad guys. Kailangan mo siyang gamitan ng ano.
So what?
Lang guys.
Awesome. Getting this big one.
Hello! Wala akong cellphone guys. Si Mion! Good evening. Good evening. Pasok ka pwede dito pwesto. Nasa doon sa kabila.
Look this one.
Hi guys! Magandang gabi. Terno pala to siya. Terno. Ngayon lang ulit ako nagpakita sa live ng itong oras. Kasi lagi akong ano. Hi Iman! Yeah. How is my queen doing today? I'm good. It's ready to sleep. Ready to sleep na. Hi Michelle. Michelle 2021. Ano to? Good evening people.
Get
Are you Philippines? Yes, I am from Philippines. And I live in Philippines. And I'm here now in the Philippines. Sabi ka nun. Sa Pilipinas, guys. Tumingin ko. Hindi ko makita. Simple. So, yan. You're from, hi, salam from, what is salam? What is salam? I don't understand what is salam.
You're creative.
Hi, Mahis. Hi. What do you have to do? Get married. I'm not yet married. You look hot. It's cold now. It's cold here because here in the Philippines it's raining. Say hi. Ah, okay. Hi. Do you? Hoy, what that is comment? Your comment is so good. So good. Ano ba to siya? Ano ba to siya? Bone? Bone, guys. For the cat. It's like eraser, huh? Eraser.
Mom, for the dog.
Ah, this is for the dog. This is bone.
Yes, because Bella died.
Do you like... Huh? I want to come there and marry you. Oh my god, that's
Look.
fast. Cat toy. Ah, cat
That's
toy.
a dog
Yeah.
toy.
It look like yung siyang eraser.
Yeah.
You in Manila. Ano ba yan comment mo, Mahish? You're so ano. Your comment is cat toy. Yes, cat toy. Because I have 2 cats. Chance! Chance, this is for you, Chance. Don't forget to thumbs up, guys. Looks like a dog toy. I don't know.
That's for Bella.
Bella? This is for Bella?
Yeah, that's my favorite dog, Bella.
Ipos na yan. This is for the dog daw. I have 1 dog. Oh, you have dog. I don't have dog, only cats. I have 2 cats. They are both boy.
That mine is
I have 3 cats, but the one is dead. Oh my god, I can't see, guys. My eyes is blurred. Sakit sa mata.